Tyler Eval here with ChemsearchFE H2O Solutions. Today we're going to be giving a quick demo of what it is to replace the O-ring on one of our Aquapass bypass feeders, or maybe another O-ring for another pot feeder. Here we have a 2.5 gallon bypass feeder. We've cleaned the top, but as you can see here on this lid, the O-ring has gotten flattened out. It's kind of rusted on there. This is a hot loop gets at the very high temperatures. And you could even see this in chill loops when it gets really cold and it starts rusting away. This can happen. We're going to go over here and give you a quick demonstration on how to remove it and how to add a new one. Here with the old one, we've got a few tools. It'd be good if you had a little gasket picker, but what we could use is a knife here just to score an edge. And then from there we can use some different types of screwdrivers, different sizes to start picking it out here. So get underneath, start lifting it up a little bit. Be patient with it. Some of these can get really packed in there. They can get dry rotted. So you just want to work it up and in here until you can get underneath it. You might need to use a couple different screwdrivers here together. All right, as we move through the process, you can see you might come up as chunks and pieces. We've already removed one from this head right here, this cap. And we've got a new O-ring here. You can see the difference between this new O-ring and a flattened piece of O-ring. And from that point, we're going to make sure that our inside of the channel for the O-ring is clear and clean. And we're gonna push this one on in here. Make sure it's got a good seal all the way around. As these start getting worn out, they will start expanding and getting wider above, outside the threshold of the valley. Once that starts happening and you start seeing it flatten out, it's time to replace. Time to get a new O-ring, time to put it in. This one got let go too long, so it took us a little while to get the O-ring out. If you stay on top of it, it'll come out much easier. This process is quick and good maintenance, good proper preventative maintenance to make sure that you don't get any leaks. And we're good to go. Thanks for joining us today.